14, and we are all praying for missing Malaysian flight MH370, which is now being searched for with the sighting of debris of Perth in the South Indian Ocean. So as well, I continue doing something for the world, which is continuing my iDempiere learner series. I'm thinking of doing a new movie and call it the 7th movie based on my learner series, to put somewhere here when you basically have learned about how to do the OSGi plugin. I was thinking it's fitting to have some sort of a template to help you hit the ground running. That is, I've created a minimal plugin, right? And you can find it here in my Bitbucket /Redone, and it's called org.iDempiere.redone. Well, basically this minimal plugin is already preset to the iDempiere suite. If you look up in the if you were to check it out and sort of insert it into your iDempiere suite of iDempiere stack of plugins, you can have this all completely resolved with no errors, basically. And what it has is all the necessary steps for you to continue. For example, the callout, process model factory, event handling. Let's go to the first one, the callout. Now, callout is usually defined as an extension. So if you call up your manifest and go to the extension tab, you will have a very empty callout. Basically, just set to C order table and to this A order ID field. You basically change these two things, and I've already written a simple class. It's quite an empty class, so basically what you do is you implement your logic here. That's it. So that takes care of the extension. And next we go to the process. Let me check my. Yes, you go to your process. Of course, you have to define your process in the metadata application dictionary. But as far as the code is concerned, all you have to do is just go and click on the class and do your logic here. Just to do it. And of course, depends on what parameters you set into your application dictionary. You change it here, right? And we of course you can change the name if you were to call it different processes, and if you were to add more, you just add more callout or processes here. Now, the third thing will be model class. Now, if you were to extend any model, in my case, in this sample case, is that we are sort of extending from the core class. Now, this is the only heaviest plumbing you will ever do in a iDempiere plugin. So if you were to do that, this is the recommended way to do it. If you read some of my manuals about using the PO wrapper, is that you have your extension in your interface class, and it's put here. So, and you have to name it to your own, instead of compare.model, you have to name it to your own unique name, so as to differentiate from the core, the base up there. And when you then have your setter getter here, and you can introduce new methods to it. All right. Sorry if I forgot to minimize this so that you can really see it in your screen. Okay. Then the last thing, I think, okay, of course, when you have this model class, you have to have it defined in your services, is to register your model factory, and that's already done here as a stub. What you can do is now to ensure that any further any further sorry, I have to open it as let me open this. Also the event, and yeah, they're not opening according to I guess it's because of this. Let me sort that out. I think the copyright notice basically disrupted this. Alright, we'll just remove them and check that back in, because it's supposed to show up a GUI, a proper GUI for you. And let me try and open it again. Yeah, this is the proper GUI. So I was opening the model. So if you were to go to the model class, it's basically done for you, and here you just have to change to whatever class you are modifying. That's it. And as for the doc event, is where it's all done for you again, and all you have to do is to go to define, or give a name first for your plugin, and then define what's the event and what is the document that you're handling, and then it's trapped here and you implement your code. So I guess that's it, and I'm grateful to Cisnova Bangladesh, who has been my constant sponsor of my time for the last more than 3 years. Alright then, have a good day, and hope to see you again in the next series. Bye.